Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply formatting to the data series in your chart by first selecting a data series within the chart, and then selecting Chart and then the Series Options command from the menu bar. Alternately, you can right-click on a data series and then choose the Series Options command from the pop-up menu which appears to invoke the Series Options dialog box. Now in this dialog box are the tabs that you can use to format the selected data series. The tabs which are displayed in this dialog box will vary based upon the chart type that you have selected. For most charts, you can set general display options using the settings displayed on the Appearance tab. If you click the Data Labels tab, you can choose whether or not to show data labels for the series by checking or unchecking the checkbox for Show Data Labels. If you have a data series that displays trends, such as a bar chart or a line chart, then you can set the appearance of the trend lines in the selected data series of the chart by choosing the desired options that appear on the Trend Lines tab. Now, when you've set any formatting options that you want to apply to the selected data series within the chart, just click the OK button to apply the selected option.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.